Okay, you're about to see the last video I recorded on my Ring video doorbell. Now, I really wanted to capture my new video doorbell turning up and being captured on my old Ring video doorbell, but it didn't work out like that. So in a moment, I'd like you to rewind this video because I'm going to explain what happened. Now, you're going to see two parts of the video. You're going to see the DHL driver just pulling up, and then you're going to see the DHL driver pulling away. Now, the reason that is because the motion activation on my doorbell started recorded a 30-second clip, and by the time the driver had actually pulled up on my drive, it had stopped recording. Then by the time they'd walked to my door and pressed the doorbell did not pick up their motion alert. It did not record any of that. They pressed the doorbell, which should have started to record them. It didn't. So I missed the entire thing of them walking up to my door, pulling up, and, capturing that last, video of them delivering my new video doorbell. So I thought I'd show you the video that was recorded on the video doorbell, before I took it down. And now here is some images from my new video doorbell. Now this is later in the day, but you can see the picture quality is completely different. Now they're both wide-angled, videos, but with my new video doorbell, it records 24 hours a day, so I don't miss anything. Unlike with my previous version 1 Ring video doorbell, which only recorded, when there was a motion alert, which most of the time was when there was a car going by, a bike going by, tended not to be when there was a person. And if it was a person walking to my door, it usually recorded with the back of them by the time they was, in my next door neighbour's garden. And that's usually the postman. So if that had been somebody trying to break into my home, they would have probably already got entry into the home before I got a motion alert. And then if I was trying to get video footage, I wouldn't have it. With my new video doorbell, I've got 24/7 recording, so I never miss any events. And if there's a crime, then I can always pull up the full video to see what happened.